then the other ones are standing around. It is live out this piece.
Hey, it's Carmen J. Thank you so much for clicking on my little video. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I bleached this wig and also how I applied it. So, let's just cut straight to it. Here are the materials you're going to need for the bleaching of this wig and some stuff that I had. So, I used 1 pack of this Clairol Professional BW2 and I poured in the volumer, I believe it's called, and I stirred it until I got an icing consistency. So once you achieve that, then I was ready to start applying it on the wig. But this is one of the most important parts. You want this to not be too thin, but also not be too thick. But also, I'm not a professional. This is just what YouTube University taught me, so. So I start off by putting this in the bathroom, like I said, to contain the smell and also the mess. So I'm sectioning off the hair, and then I'm going to try to make all the parts that I section a little even. And after I clip this up, I'm going to finger comb the hair so that way there's not any knots that I'm bleaching. I want this application to be as smooth as possible. So next, I'm just gingerly putting the bleach on the bottom section of the hair, kind of just seeing what happens first. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so I try my best in making the bleach evenly around the hair, starting from the middle and working my way down. But I'm putting a generous amount on this bottom section because I want the hair to actually bleach and take to the bleach. So now I'm raking my fingers through the hair again, just to make sure all the bleach is on as many strands as I can get. And I don't want any clunks of bleach in one area because I don't want that to bleach lighter than other areas.
She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. She's so fine tonight. And as long as I got my suit and tie, I won't leave it up on the floor tonight. And it got mixed up.
So now I'm just going to repeat the same thing that I did with the first section to the second section. I'm starting from the middle and then working my way down. But as you'll see, I really want to try to get the bottom as much bleach as possible so that way it has that like ombre effect.
Now we're in the swing of love. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Hey, stop. Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so thick. Now I know what they call it, a fatty. And oh, so sick, got a hit and picked up a habit. But that's alright, 'cause you're all mine. Oh, go on, show 'em who you call daddy. I guess they're just my girls, girl, they wish they had it. Ooh, my killer, my thriller. Yeah, you're a classic. And you're all mine tonight. And as long as I got my suit and tie, I won't leave it up on the floor tonight. And we got mixed up too.
this last section I go a little fast because I see that the bottom sections are starting to lighten up, which is why I didn't use aluminum foil, because I didn't want to rush this process. I wanted this to work its way slowly, so that's why I'm kind of rushing through this first part, because I want them all to bleach at the same rate and have the same color.
Sound full of myself a rule, but you ain't looking at no other dudes, cause you love me. I'm sorry. So you think about a chance, you find yourself trying to do my dance, maybe cause you love me. You do well. So then we tried. Singing it slow down because you weren't used to how fast we touched. Then we locked eyes. And I knew I wasn't there, and I was gonna tell you. I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind if I'm showing off. I was just frontin'. You know I want you, babe. I'm ready to bet it on, unless you don't care at all. But you know I want you. You should stop frontin', babe. Trying to be the best girlfriend you could be. Still you sneak and look at me, and girl, I love it. Then you give your other girl a shove. Tell her you gon' call her, ask how it was, and she's gon' love it. Whoa, whoa, yeah. So then we tried. Singing it slow down because you weren't used to how fast we touched. Then we locked eyes. And I knew I wasn't there, and I was gon' tell you. I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind.
I'm finished dyeing my wig. It came out so perfect. So before I put on my wig cap, it's really important that I moisturize or put some type of like product in my hair. So I use avocado oil, and so I'm just going to spray a little bit in the parts. Yeah, ever since I started wearing wigs, my hair has like grown so much, and I think it's just because I'm leaving it alone. I'm just letting it do its own thing and taking care of it. So this is a really important step in applying my wig for me. Full of the hair in the stocking cap, but you gotta do it. But here's the wig. This is the color it came out. A little gingery honey blonde ombre type of deal going on here. I love it. It's exactly how I wanted it. So I'm going to put this on. Like I said, I'm doing this on camera with like no mirror, so I might have to like cut and show you guys how to do this.
Showing off, I was just frontin'. You know I want you, babe. I'm ready to bet it on, unless you don't care at all. But you know I want.
What it is? What's it?
What you doing?
I'm actually recording a video.
Oh, hey video.
You should stop frontin', babe. We got enough.
And then the other ones are standing around. It is live out this piece. They got their lawn chairs out.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked what you see, please leave a comment down and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.